Hello, in this video we're gonna check if INFINIX Hot 12i has a LED lamp notifications. So in order to do this, we're gonna lock this device so the screen turns black. Now let's check on the top of the screen. Here's a camera and look for any sign of a LED lamp. We can try it under some light. But I can't see anything that looks like a LED lamp right here. There's only camera. So this means this phone doesn't have a LED lamp notifications. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.